Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make money online by reading prompts. Yes, by reading prompts. We live in AI age and there are many companies who are developing different kind of AI softwares and they need people like you to test their softwares to read prompts. So they can analyze your prompts and see can they actually make their softwares better, or if their software doesn't work, can they make it work? And that is why they are ready to pay you to read those prompts. And it is also really important to watch this video very carefully because I'm going to give you one really important information. So where can you find companies that will pay you to read prompts? Well, you can come on a website called TaskVerse, and here you can see they are explaining what they do and how they do it. Here you can see how they are paying you, how this actually works, and you can find different kind of tasks here, not just to read prompts. You can also design banners, you can make landing pages and different kind of stuff. Now to sign up, simply add your email address, add your password, confirm your password, click here to agree with the terms of condition, click on sign up, and you will sign up, and you need to confirm your email. And you need to confirm your email. And now you can log into your TaskVerse account. So now this is really important. You need to fill all of these informations here. So I will give it my name. Okay. And here you need to add date of birth. So I will choose some random date. And you need to be full age. You need to be over 18 years old. Next step, location. Location is also really important. You need to choose your country because it can easily happen that there are no offers in your country, okay? And that is why you must choose your country. Okay, you need to choose a city. And you need to say how long you are living in that country and in that city, and then click here on next. And now you need to choose your language. And here you can choose a language. You need to choose first your native language, okay? So I will choose my native language. And then here, other languages. You need to add other language. So I will say English, okay? English United States. Proficiency, I will say professional, okay? And then here you can add more languages. If you speak more languages, add all the languages that you are speaking. Identity, and here you need to add a gender. So I'm obviously male. Ethnicity, I'm actually white, Caucasian white. Next step, payment. You can add a PayPal or you can do that later. I will do it later, okay? Here you need to confirm your phone number and then simply add your phone number and click send code, and they will send you a message and you will be able to enter that code here and you will go on your dashboard. And this is how your dashboard looks. Here you can see I actually did 2 out of 4 steps. Here you can see check out your referral program. You can check out referral program, sign up for TaskVerse. I already did it. And here you need to answer on some additional questions. I already answered on one question. And here you can see, do you have any experience working in customer support? I will say less than a year. Click here on submit and continue. Try to be as honest as possible when answering on these questions. Do you have any accreditation, certifications, over 3 years professional experience in any of these fields? Okay, I will say none of these. Okay, and I will click on submit and continue. And here, what is your highest level of education? I will say master's equivalent level. Submit and continue. Do you currently hold a valid driver's license? Yes, I do. Submit. You have to answer on 12 questions. What industry do you work in? I will say mechanical engineering. Let me just see, is that an option? Okay. Okay, mechanical or industrial engineering. Okay, submit and continue. What is your field of study? I will say, for example, something similar. I will say engineering and technology. Submit and continue. What type of phone do you have? I have Android phone. Submit and continue. Do you own any of the following devices? Desktop computer? Yes. Laptop? Yes. Submit and continue. Do you own any of the following VR Headsets, actually I don't have none of these. Submit and continue. Do you regularly use Google Assistant on your smartphone? Yes. Submit and continue. Which is your dominant hand? I'm actually right-handed. Continue. And I actually need to link my PayPal account. I will do that later. And I answer on all of these questions. So here you can also go on Training Center and you can do a training. Here you can see all the available tasks. Here you can see there are currently no available tasks because I just registered here on TaskVerse. Here you can see previews, graphic designers, screen survey for a content moderator task. Here you can see there are some tasks that are available, but this is really important. Prompt reading is not available in all the countries. Quite often it is available only on the native speaking English countries, United States, Canada, United Kingdom and Australia. Often there is not available even in New Zealand, okay? And also here you can find other tasks. You don't have to do prompts. You can do other tasks. As you can see, graphic designers are always hot on demand, okay? But if you wish to read prompts, you can find either similar websites to TaskVerse, and you can find similar tasks there that will pay you, companies that will pay you to read prompts. If you cannot find them here, you can find them on other companies, on other websites. And also what it means that you will need to visit TaskVerse every day to check out, are there any new tasks? Are there tasks that will pay you to read prompts? Like I said, it is not available all the time. But this is how you make money online, by reading tasks.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.